Today, I'm going to show you how to learn 2 affiliate marketing strategies that's going to help you, one, build your email list, and the second thing is nurture your email list. But these are 2 strategies that are super important, guys, and I'm going to share with you how you can get access to them for a measly $7. Let's get into it. All right, welcome first and foremost to the channel. Welcome to the video. As you guys can see, I am on my strategy right here, which I am explaining a little bit more so that you guys understand what it is and why we're using this strategy. But there are 2 steps in my entire strategy that I have. It's called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. It's what I talk about regularly on these Friday videos. But today I'm going to speak specifically about step number 2, because as I mentioned, the main 2 skill sets in pretty much every video I say this, the main 2 skill sets that you need for marketing is advertising and copywriting. If you don't understand these 2 skill sets, and there are constant learning curves for these 2 things, we will be repeating your cycle of learning them again and again and again, okay? Because the quality that improves over time is where, when you apply the skill, is where you're going to make the biggest difference and convert the most amount of people, okay? And I'm still growing in the strategy. If you want to join me along this way, then feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you see the journey that I'm on as well. That being said, I'm going to show you 2 strategies today that is going to help you with traffic, okay? Traffic. Any kind of done for you setup, any kind of done for you system that you're working with, guys, make sure that it allows you to have traffic generation as a key skill set that you're learning. Okay, there's nothing more important than advertising when it comes to your affiliate marketing journey, specifically in this niche of being in the wealth niche. Okay, really, this is the most important thing. That being said, let's talk about these 2 strategies. Now I'm going to show you a way that you can get access to both these strategies for just $7. So if you want to check out the link in the description of this video at any point of time, feel free to go there. You do get bonuses, by the way, when you do join. Just saying, the bonuses from my side, I'll go into them on another video. Today I'm just going to talk about these 2 strategies. On the back end, as I promote everything that I do, including this structure, I buy traffic and I send to a funnel. I basically send to a funnel that on the back end promotes the OLSP Academy, guys. Okay, the OLSP Academy is something that I've been a part of for the last 5 years. Is regular events that come out every single week, and I personally have learned so much. It has been the backbone of everything that I'm doing online for a long time. Now, that being said, in the skill center here, you're going to get access to these 2 skills. So there are 2 ways. One is there's always a kind of currency that you spend when it comes to driving traffic, guys. Either you spend the currency of time, or you spend the currency of money. Either you have a cold list or you have a warm list. Ideally, if you're building a warm list, it's a slower progress, and a warm list can be more significant in terms of conversions because they already know, like, and trust you. That relationship has been built. And this gets done over time on social media platforms and then going over to an email list. You'll hear a lot in this online space about build your list. And that's correct. You need to build your list. How do you build your list? There are a couple of ways you can do it. The fast way is using paid advertising. So Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, these kind of things are fast methodologies of doing it. But that has a slower progress of actually converting. It might convert quick wins, but the bigger, higher ticket ones convert less because you have to nurture and get to know and like and trust them. So from those 100 leads, let's say, that purchased a $7 product, maybe 2 of them go on, or 1 of them goes on to getting a higher ticket offer over time because they've been nurtured. So that's just something that's normal and should be there. But the reason why I'm saying this is that it does take time for this to build. You shorten that time frame when you already build a know, like, and trust using YouTube, using Facebook, using any kind of social media platform, Instagram, to build that relationship with the customer, so that when you do put a link in your bio, or when you do put a link below in the description, people understand that they're actually going to purchase something and you're going to get a commission from it. So they understand the concept of affiliate marketing, and they trust and they want to buy through you. One of the things that people don't tell you when it comes to free marketing or organic marketing is that people at the end of the day that do purchase are people who have resonated with you. Your aim is, how do you tell a story? How do you build more traffic? How do you get that reach of connecting with your audience? If you're not getting that reach of connecting with your audience, then it doesn't work. Okay, so when I tell you guys a story of my struggle, to the fact that I spent 6 years failing online and learning and making these mistakes, a few of those people who do listen to the statement, they then also understand that I can relate to their journey that they're on. So they do decide to then get in contact with me. It's as simple as that. And those leads I value much more than somebody who just decides out of the blue for a cold traffic money spending that they just go and buy and a small low ticket course, because those leads that I do speak to on a regular basis have literally more interest in getting to the place, and I want to work with them long term. All right. So I'm saying this because when you understand the difference between a cold list and a warm list, your aim, even if you're building this strategy that you see on screen right now, is a way to build a cold list. When I'm building a cold list like this, I am not focused on the sales. I'm focused on the nurturing of those leads to a warm list, because that's where I want to make the bigger sales on the back end. How do I do this? I do this with the cold. I'll tell you the cold strategy. I'll tell you the warm strategy. So the cold strategy first is something that we call, also you can monetize this cold strategy if you want. And the way to monetize it, I think I did a video last week for you guys. The way to monetize it is through a process that I, for example, use with the Magic Link. Magic Link is an offer that you get for, basically you get the tool for $17 a month, and you get the Magic Link as a special offer within it. And you, whenever people click on that link, I'm getting paid. So all I'm focusing on over here is to build this email list, and the process itself is paying me over time. It's a slow growth. Okay, so even if people don't buy, I'm getting paid. This is called CPA. So that's how you monetize a low ticket, let's say, product, or it's how you monetize your efforts if you're building a list. But what I personally have done with this strategy is that this list that I'm building ultimately goes to the mega link. Okay, it ultimately goes to the mega link. Why? Because I want to take these leads that are so used to coming to my traffic source, and I've warmed them up to then share with them the mega link. Why? Because in the mega link itself, they have access. I'm just going to show you guys to 6 trainings. One is in progress for me. 6 trainings right here. And you can see that there's one Facebook 101 method which talks about this organic methodology. And I don't think that I think that many people who have got the mega link are not taking advantage of this training. So I'm going to stress on it today, because I think that's one of the strategies that makes the biggest difference. Till today, I ask myself not whether the strategy is working or not, because I know it does. Otherwise, Wayne Crow would not have made 8 figures from it. He does make a lot every single day from Facebook. Point is, how am I implementing it? How can I get better at it? Am I prospecting better at it? Am I using the structures that are in place? Am I adding the right friends? Am I posting the right the right posts? All of those things, by the way, are taught within this Facebook 101 training. And if you're not going back to it, you've not learned it enough. If you do not know what you're doing, you will go back to this multiple times. If you think you know what you're doing, you will still need to go back to it multiple times to make sure that you're following things and you're doing things accordingly. Because every single time you watch these videos, guys, you will learn something new that you're not doing it. Because until you've put it into practice, you don't really know what you are lacking in your skill set. This is a 7 video training that are there. Talks about the introduction. You don't need to watch the introduction so much, but the complete guide, yes. Adding friends, yes. Post types, yes. These 3 specific ones right there are going to bring you the most amount of value, because it's teaching you a strategy on how to make Facebook your main source of leads. That's what the purpose of it. So that's the first strategy. You're using organic content to make Facebook the lead source for you. You're adding the right people, and you're then converting those free leads into sales. Remember when I said at the beginning of this video, that is how you create a warm list? This is exactly the way that you can create a warm list. Okay, using Facebook. However, if you scroll down here, you have getting started with list building, TD pages, and Magic Link. This is the second way, as I mentioned, which is how do you build a cold email list that can then be nurtured into a warm email list. So for example, I currently have this set up, and I have automatically traffic going, cold traffic, so solo ad traffic specifically, going to this link that's building my email list. It goes through an email sequence. I get paid for people who do click on that link in that email sequence. So I monetize it. And then at the end of that email sequence, they go to another email sequence which nurtures them about the mega link to then get them on the mega link. Okay, so these are the 2 processes, but definitely my aim is to have them on that specific nurture sequence, because once that nurture sequence is over, guess what? I email my list every single day, which means if I email my list every single day, what am I doing? I'm also building know, like, and trust. I send them these videos, I send them other things that build that trust with them and eventually get them on my on the back end for sales and stuff like that. So these are the two strategies. One is you can use a CPA strategy, monetize your list, and the second one is your Facebook 101 training. Now, in order for you to get access to both of this, all you need is the mega link. Okay, so below this video you'll find a link to this specific page, and this page you can get started for free. Just to, if you want to, if you don't believe what I'm saying and you want to take a look at what kind of training we have, just click on this. You'll be able to go to this page right here, which you can enter your name and email address and verify, obviously, and then you will get access to every single week the live trainings that we have. Okay, nothing you need to pay or anything like that. But in that process, after you enter your email address, you will be notified of the mega link. If you want to get access to the mega link, you get access to the mega link. It costs $7 one time, as I mentioned. You get two main strategies, cold list and a warm list strategy for those $7, and you can apply that any point of time. I had the $7 product, guys, for 3 years before I moved ahead, and I still go back to that product. So if you are a mega linker, if you're somebody who's just getting started, then I recommend to go to the Facebook 101 training and go to the list building training and choose which methodology you want, and that's going to help you with the strategy. If you want a cold list strategy, it's there. If you want a mega link strategy, which is specifically Facebook strategy, it's already available for you. So those are the two ones that I focus on a daily basis, guys. That is all I focus on a daily basis, just to make sure that I have cold lists running and warm lists running. I have my Facebook running for me. I talk about it frequently on these social media platforms. I have Pinterest running for me. It's again a traffic source that comes to, at the end of the day, this methodology of teaching you free and paid methods of driving traffic. If you don't know anything, focus on traffic. That is it. Okay, now you have 6 months in this year. Don't stay at the same place where you were at the beginning of the year. Make a change. And if that's a change that you want to make today specifically, click on the link below, come here and decide if you want to go to the mega link, if you want to go to the live profit builders, even better. And if you want to go to community builders, reach out to me because I will work with you for the next 12 months. All the details are below. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.